This guide will help you navigate the process of requesting payouts on iCloud in 2026. Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth experience. Step 1. Access your iCloud account. Log into your iCloud account using your Apple ID and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection to protect your personal information. Step 2. Navigate to the Payouts section. Once logged in, locate the Payouts or Payments section in your account settings. This is typically found under the Account or Billing tab. Step 3. Review your earnings. Check your earnings summary to see the amount available for payout. Ensure that all transactions and earnings are accurately reflected before proceeding. Step 4. Request a payout. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and submit your request. Review all the information you have entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your payout request. You should receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the status of your request. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts on iCloud. Make sure to keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your request.